Hello students, I am Professor B.C. A.K. from Computer Department of Sau Sundarabai Manik Arsul Polytechnic, SAS Ahmednagar. Today we will study the first practical of computer graphics program, that is program to draw basic graphic objects. In this practical you will going to study how to draw basic graphics objects such as pixel, line, circle, rectangle, etc. Practical significance for this practical is computer graphics provides different graphics functions to draw various graphics objects. By using these basic graphics functions, students will able to construct pixels, line, circle, rectangle, and ellipse. Also, learn the graphics coordinate system to plot these objects. After studying this practical, you will able to write syntax for graphics function, to write and save a simple C program, set up graphics drives, graphics modes, and directory to run graphics program, compile the program using Turbo C, debug and execute the program. The course outcome for this practical is manipulate visual and geometric properties of image. The resources required for this: you need a computer system with board specification, Windows 7 and above version of OS, and software requirement is Turbo C. Now we will move towards the program. Okay, let us start with the program. We require some header files like hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then hash include graphics.h. This header file is mandatory for all the graphics programs. Then int main function. Here I am declaring variable gd equal to detect, gm, color. Then init graph and gd, and here I am providing the path for BGI folder which is available in your Turbo C. Firstly, I am writing a code for displaying pixel. Put pixel. Here I am providing x coordinate, y coordinate, and color for that pixel. Then I am going to display one sentence where the actual pixel is located on the output screen, so that I am using outtext xy function, and I am providing x and y coordinate, and here is my sentence yellow dot. Next code is for drawing a line. Here line function is used, and I am going to pass parameters, means coordinates for the lines x1 y1 and x2 y2 coordinates. Then set line style function solid line 1, 2. Also I am going to display one message outtext xy 40, 60 and line. This is our second object, that is line. Next, I am going to draw circle. For that, I am using function circle and passing the parameters for the circle. Out text xy. This is used for displaying the sentence, that is circle. Next, I am going to draw in rectangle. For this, I am using function rectangle and passing the parameters for the rectangle. Next, out text xy, 40, 100, rectangle. This code is for rectangle. Now, suppose I want to draw a bar. Then I'm using bar function and passing the parameters. That is, parameters means passing the coordinates. Then out text xy, 40, 300, for example, and bar. And large, draw ellipse. For the ellipse, you require 6 coordinates, means 6 parameters. Start angle 0, end angle 360. Out text xy, 40, 400, and ellipse. Okay, get ch, close graph function, return, and this is the whole program. Now I have to compile this program using Alt F9. Then I have to run this program using Control F9. And look, here we see, as per our practical, the basic objects are at output screen. First code was written for displaying a pixel. Here, yellow dot is shown on output screen because we have used yellow color for that particular pixel. Second code was written for a line. So the second line is drawn here. Third code is for circle. Fourth is for rectangle. Fifth is for bar. And sixth is for ellipse. So by changing the coordinates, you can arrange them according to your need on output screen. Suppose you change the x and y coordinates, then ultimately these objects are shown as per the coordinates provided by you. The objects are shown on the screen. Here we have successfully run the first practical of computer graphics, that is displaying basic graphics objects of computer graphics. Okay, thank you.